Hello and welcome to numeracy class once again. Finally, we have come to the end of the topic, that's using the lattice method to perform multiplication. In this example, we have 948 being multiplied by 227, and the traditional way of doing the multiplication was used. Yes, we actually went through the whole process, and then we had 215,196 as the product for 948 and 227. Well, if this one seems a little bit cumbersome to you, then the lattice method is the alternative for you. Well, using the lattice method to perform, your first thing to do is to construct the lattice and size it to fit the two given numbers. So if you look at the multiplicand, you are going to draw how many columns? 3, isn't it? And then if you look at the multiplier, the number of rows you draw are going to be 3. So let's look at something. Yes, there are 3 columns here, 1, 2, and 3. And then there are 3 rows here, 1, 2, and 3. The first column for the most significant number, the number with the highest place value, here the hundreds, which is 9, takes the first one and then follows in that order to the right. And then when you come to the multiplier, the first row on top is for the most significant number, here the hundreds, and that is the 2. The tens, which is also 2, goes for the second row, and then the last number, which is the ones, takes the last row. All the cells have been divided by a diagonal line from top right corner to down left corner. Now let's start the actual multiplication in this same video. We know that 2 is going to multiply 9, and multiply 4, and multiply 8, and their product will be written respectively in their cells. So let's see what is going to happen. Yes, 2 times 9 is 18. The 1 was placed there and the 8 is here. 2 times 4 is 8. It's a single digit, and so the tens didn't get any number, so we place 0 there, and then 8 is here. 2 times 8 is what? 16. So the 1 is here, and then the 6 is here. Let's go to 2 times 9, 2 times 4, 2 times 8. Yes, the same number, isn't it? So the same thing will be actually placed here. So we have 1808 and then 16. Lastly, we have 9 times 7, and then we have 4 times 7, and then we have 8 times 7. Now let's see how it's going to look like too. So we have 9 times 7 giving us 63, the 6 for the tens, and then the 3 for the ones placed there, and then 4 times 7, 28, 2 here, 8 here, and then 8 times 7 giving us 56, 5 here, 6 here. Finally, we are writing out all these yellow numbers in the cells out to get our answer to be 215,196. So as we do all the time, the number here will be brought down, and then all the numbers that have lined up in this same space will be added together and brought down. The same thing applies to this part, and then the same thing here, and then here, and then finally this is also a single space for this single number, and so we bring only one number out. Now let's bring the 6 down. 6 has come down. Now the next one is 6 plus 5 gives us what? 11, and then plus 8 gives us 19. So the 9 will be placed there, and the 1 will be carried forward. So let's see. 9 has come. Now 1 is coming here. So when 1 comes, it's added to the 6 to get 7. 7 plus 1 gives us what? 8. And then 8 plus 8, 16. And then 16 plus 2 is 18. And then 18 plus 3 gives us 21. Of course, the 1 will be placed there and the 2 will be carried forward. So 1 is here, 2 is going top. Now 2 plus 1 gives you what? 3. 3 plus 8 gives you what? 11. And then 11 plus 0 gives you what? 11. And then 11 plus 8, 19. And then 19 plus 6 gives you 25. So the 5 will be placed there, and then 2 will go forward. So 5 is here, and then 2 is coming. So 2 plus 0 is what? 2. And then 2 plus 8 is what? 10. And then 10 plus 1 is what? 11. So here too, we will not place all the 11 here. 1 will be here, and then 1 will go forward. So we have our 1 placed here, and then 1 plus 1 gives you what? 2. So finally, we are reading our answer from top to the down, and then from left to right. So let's see. Now finally, it means that using the lattice method, 948 times 227 gives you 215,196. The 6 is running away, right? Don't worry, you know that it's 6. Now let's go to our next exercise in this same video. As you have been doing, pause the video right now and perform this on your own When you finish, compare with what you see. If you got this, then you are so perfect. You've learned well in this whole lesson. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video lesson.